Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the simple candlestick pattern detector, how to use it and how it works. By the way, it's also free and you can download it from our website for free. The link is in the description. So all you need to do is simply download it and extract it and paste it anywhere where you can easily find it. Once you do, simply double click on it and it will be automatically loaded to your MetaTrader 5. And this is it here. So what I need to do is simply click and hold and drag it to the chart, and don't change anything, simply click on OK. So I'm going to do that as OK. So this is how it looks like. So let me just zoom out a little bit. So it will show you the candlestick pattern in symbols, but if you don't know what these symbols mean, that is when you can actually go to the left side of the chart and see what these symbols mean. So for your convenience, they are grouped in two. So there's the first one, which is the bearish candlestick patterns, and also we've got the bullish candlestick patterns. So let's start with the bearish candlestick patterns. So we've got the SS 2, 3, and 4. These are shooting star. So this is a bearish. Then we've got the E star is an evening star. Then we've got the E doji is an evening doji star. We've got the DCC is a dark cloud pattern. And we've got the SE, which is the bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, so if you see a DCC, it's simply a dark cloud pattern. SE is a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, now the other parts of the candlestick patterns are bullish. So with the HMR2, 3, and 4, this is a bullish hammer. And with the M star, which is a morning star, with the M doji, which is a morning doji star, the PL is a piercing line pattern, LE is a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, so whenever you see this, simply refer to the left side and you'll be shown what these candlestick patterns are.